35 years beneath the sky of blue. 35 years of dreams made strong and true. From fields of gold where gentle winds have flown, a free and proud Ukraine has found her own. Her rivers carry stories through the land. Her people rise together hand in hand. Through every storm, through sorrow, loss and pain, she keeps her hope alive and stands again. The blue above, a symbol of the sky. The golden fields, her spirit shining high. And in each heart that calls Ukraine its home, life's freedom's light wherever they may roam. So let the bells of liberty resound. Let peace and courage flourish all around. 35 years, a journey proud and bright, a nation choosing freedom, truth and light. May Ukraine's future bloom from every scar. May love unite her near and yet afar. And may her children feel as strong and free, write brighter chapters of her history. Happy 35th Independence